G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lamb and sweet potato pizza. This is really simple. It is so yummy. You're going to love this. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get your pizza base. You can make one, buy one pre-made, depends on how much time you have. Now preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. I'm just using some pizza sauce. You can use tomato paste or make your own. Just spread it around. Add more if you want more. Now get some cheese. For this I actually used cheddar cheese, not mozzarella. But if you want to use mozzarella, that's fine. Just put as much cheese on as you like. If you really like to have lots of cheese, put lots of cheese on. Now while you're doing this, get some sweet potato, cut it up into pieces. It can be circles, then cut in half, little chunks, whatever, and go and either boil them or steam them, just so they're a little bit soft. Now once your sweet potato is nice and soft, place the pieces wherever you want. Now get some Kalamata olives. You can cut them into little pieces like this and put them all over the pizza, however much you like. If you don't like olives, don't add them. Just find something that you do like. Now just pop this in the oven once it's heated, and it should take about 10 to 15 minutes, but after about 7 to 8 minutes we're going to take it out. Now once you've put the pizza in the oven, get a frying pan, chuck in some oil, whatever oil, I like olive oil, turn it up to high, and then after about 1.5 to 2 minutes turn it to around medium. And chuck in some strips of lamb or beef, something that is a red meat. I prefer lamb because it's awesome. Now we just want to cook this for about 3 minutes, just until it's just cooked through. Okay, once this has been in here for about a minute, we've got some of the juices off, we're going to add some rosemary. Now I've just picked this from my garden, because you can't beat homegrown rosemary. Alright, now these are ready. Now we'll just transfer them to a plate with some kitchen paper. Now once you've put the beef strips on the lamb, chuck this back in the oven for about 3 minutes. There you go, nice and yummy. I just get a little bit of baby rocket, just chuck it on there. Oh, yummy. Well, I hope you like this. So good. Oh, where have you been all my life? Holy hummer. This is so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple Cooking.